Phrasal verbs used by native speakers. Aim at. Her campaign aims at reducing waste. The new policy aims at reducing carbon footprints. Back down. He backed down and apologized. He had to back down after facing public outrage. Beef up. The manager plans to beef up company's sales force by employing new graduates. They decided to beef up the system to counter the cybersecurity threats. Call for. The weekend forecast calls for rain. I will call for you at 7 o'clock so we can go to the school. Call in. We need to call in a plumber to fix the larger dripping tape. Remember to call in before 8 a.m. if you are late. Carry away. She is sorry because she got carried away and spoke without thinking. The heavy storm threatened to carry away millions of houses. Do without. Since the store is sold out, we will have to do without foods this morning. She could really do without that extra work today. Do away with. Computerization has helped us do away with a lot of paperwork. It is time for the CEO to do away with these outdated rules. Eat up. He has to eat up vegetables before you leave the table. That car eats up a lot of gas. Fill out. Please fill out this application form and submit it by Monday. He looks much healthier now that he has filled out. Fill up. You need to fill up our water bottles before the hike. He always stopped to fill up my gas tank at the station. Follow up. I will follow up with the client tomorrow. Please follow up on the project progress and check the plan. Hand on. Hang on a minute, he's not ready yet. Hang on tight, the street is a little bumpy. Hang out. I'm going to hang out with my family today. She usually hang out at the local coffee shop after work. Get across. The manager struggled to get his ideas across to the employees in the first lecture. We need to get across to them how important this idea is. Get away. The thief managed to get away. She needs to get away for a few days. Keep up. I can't keep up with the fast runners. It is important to keep up with the latest news. Pick over. They picked over the mangoes, selecting the largest ones. People were picking over the sale-off items looking for good deals. Make up. Women make up nearly 60% of the workforce. They had a fight, but they always make up. Mix up. I mix cereal up for my brother. I always mix up these twin sisters. They look so much alike.